Hi, it's Jonathan from Equipmart, your online retailer for pressure washers, cleaning equipment, parts and accessories. Here we have a Nilfisk drain cleaning hose. You need to double check the connector that's on your Nilfisk pressure washer because there are two types. That is the old style Nilfisk connector. There's not many of those about anymore. Most of them are this new style one, which has got the two fat lugs either side. Lowering in the top and the small nipple coming out of the front there. That's the Nilfisk bayonet connector, and that just pushes into the end of your trigger gun. So you normally remove the lance section and then push this into your trigger gun. That way you've got trigger gun control of the drain cleaning hose. The nozzle itself has three rear facing jets. And they're angled as well, so they actually come out almost like a coil spring, because the brass section there rotates. So it really ensures that you get a really sort of vigorous clean within the drain. It's quite an aggressive nozzle, this particular one. The hose itself, it's a flexible hose, it's rubber coated, it's a reinforced braided hose, and it's rated up to 180 bar pressure at 60 degrees C, mainly for cold water. So that's the Nilfisk high pressure hose. We do this in quite a number of different lengths. We do 4 meters, 6, 8, 10 meters, 15, 20 and 30 meters long. So we'll have a length that will suit your drain. My advice would be to get a length that's probably longer than you think you need, because you've probably got other jobs in the future as well. But that's the Nilfisk drain cleaning hose.